Good evening, fellow people of the Southern Cameroon Territory, fellow Ambazonian. We are welcome to this new show. As you will notice, we have changed the name of our show. This is Critical Analysis with Capo Daniel. We are relaunching this show, and I am very happy to see everybody today to come back and watch us. So today we get a lot of issue them, very, very brief. We will make them very short. We'll get a short show today. Our critical analysis it go be now around General Ayeke and the kidnapping way on around year say happened for inside the Atlantic state. I go since the Ambazonia Governing Council go they do their own independence, but I go begin give some small critical analysis for which way it already they public and for keep una eye they may be on the ball so that La Republic no go play a fast one on us and will not go be blindsided by anything. As una know me very well, na me Capo Daniel una sense pass king, Ambazonian FBI, the one way they bring una the truth and nothing but the truth. So I will always be there, fresh, bold, and unafraid, for speak nothing but the truth. So all man be welcome for us today. I be very happy for Cisse Bronhi that you day has, William Samba you day has, Augustine Safa you day has, all na day house, all na be welcome. As our tradition they always be, we start with our national anthem, and then after I go take some time for play some song way, I go take that time for salute all man. So all man wanna come good for any place on a day for Ambazonia. We gonna stand up at a lot as we go play our national anthem for welcome all man way that enter for inside this mood. So the anthem I'll play them now one way day for YouTube. I play them for background when I go follow them for screen. And the people where they go come after for can watch the video will also pay respect for our national anthem. It remind we of where to where will be. Amazonian glory, we rise and never to fall. Yeah, in the nation, we never morning. Glory, glory, glory to the Father for making the nation and joy forevermore. Amazonia, land of freedom, we shall live and bless in this in our nation. Our children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God is the watchman of the nation. Amazonia, land of freedom, we shall live in blessing in our need. Our children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God is the watchman of his nation. So, fellow good citizens in Ambazonia, I salute una. I welcome all man for house. And as our tradition, we don't change the name for this show out of the request for some very powerful people in Ambazonia, where they feel say me as a deputy defense chief, I need to upgrade my game according to them, and then but I always prefer no corny, but out of honor for some people the way we say no to them, and I think also in strong belief for these people them for which what they do and for our struggle, I don't accept for change the name from my show from no corny talk to critical analysis, and it really reflect very well what we do and because we do a critical analysis. As soon as I always know around the try for begin search young talent for Ambazonia. Around they always search young talent for Ambazonia, in particularly for Ground Zero, for begin promote them. So some other new one they were around discover them today. He plays some song they call our boys Daft in honor for our boys and way they don't be killed by La Republic to Cameroon for their village. So this boy played this song for honor the people the way they be massacre them after La Republic to Cameroon their election. I will play a song when that song they go na the time I will take and salute all man for house. I see some very special person for me where they for house today. I go salute you later. So ma play the song. The song title Boys Daft, Rest in Peace. So we will take and for salute all man where they for house. Una welcome for the critical analysis. One salute Oman, Divine Kum, Atoe salute Bourbon, Atoe salute Bourbon for America. They are salute Oman for America, for the Southern America. K Struggle, we welcome Kenneth, I welcome you. Mulu, welcome. Shena, welcome. And Oman, be welcome. Anytime we did, just drop the name for your community and then I will salute you. I also want to offer kola nut for all Ambazonia Papa the way they did for us. For all man we know, I offer on a kola nut for any place we did. As flight the damn King camp, I don't receive my kola nut. Do one command for the great state of Bui from General Kapura. You don't reach me fine. So when I see this video, for the background for the video, this musician, the young guy, he play, the sing, they call all the victims them for a village. Well, like the Republic of Cameroon began around the Obu key them say they've been Amazonia fighters, even though they want the video being a normal boy the quarter. Julio Caesar, welcome for the house. Takung Baju, welcome. Omaro, welcome. La Vista, I salute you, La Vista, Cafe Day. I salute you all our boys them for the red Lions of Abla Bukang. I salute you all. And the other 4 brigade, the way they name the Nova be out the Bamenda. Very important part of the Bamenda brigade. I salute you all, including the striker force. I salute you all. And I give congratulations against for the ADF for creating the Ivolin 23. Now the name that way they don't adopt them for the new gun and create them. Ivolin for Ivor, General Ivor, and 23 for the 23. Those are the way they be done die. But I know say General Ivor, if he die like Jesus Christ, at the age of 33, a person where if he give a life for this struggle, before he want enter for pick up gun, they be done give you a prophecy for Victoria about a future for our liberation. They be done prophesize for you for people that they believe in God. They God don't you see me fight for liberating country. And he don't give a life and still say the sacrifice of the Kamba Ivor, he will bring our freedom. And all those who don't give their life before, and the one the way they see they don't give their life, where they see give their life and their life for the night. Yeah, now Ivolin 23 for the dedication for the 23. Those are the way they be kidnapped and every time I talk about them, it just bite my belly over. When I remember General Agabe, all the master, it just bite my belly. But it give me the resilience. Say, with all these sacrifices, they will not feel ever make go for water. And I'm gonna see how they drink na Guinness. The show say the boy na true Amber boy. When I go find a name for inside YouTube, when I support you, when I for diaspora, when I be sending guy in petit frère, even a sang dollar American, it will help them for ground zero. They take a lot of boldness from Ambazonia for person with the ground zero. They sing the kind of song to celebrate, thank the people the way they don't kill them. Struggle. We no forget any man they don't kill them. We no forget you. We no go forget you. We no go forget. We no go forget. And we no go forgive La Republic. Abba Daniel, welcome. Tough Bazo, welcome. Bamsi Gladys, welcome. We no go forget you. We no forget you. My Abdul Bello, I no go forget you. I no forget you. All the people them where they don't kill them, we no go forget them. Mami Abdiel, Samsuya, we no go forget Una. Baby Mata, 4 months old people they kill them, we no go forget Una. All the girls where they torture them, rape them, we no go forget them. We must fight and obtain justice for them and justice for the Southern Cameroon. For all the people where they never born up, we must fight for their justice. We no forget you, God. We no forget the Supreme Commander. We no forget you. When He says yes, no man can say forget you. Yeah, when God say yes, when God say yes, no man can say no. Just like the song it up. So, ladies and gentlemen, fellow people of Ambazonia, wanna welcome for this new show, The Critical Analysis. Now a show where we go to analyze the events them and the various happenings for the Ambazonian Revolution, for make sure say me the shed light for our people them, and also for reach the widest possible constituent of the Ambazonian people, the people of the street. Na me Capo Daniel be una host, una truth teller. I would stand the talk on una behalf. I be na una eye, I be una vanguard for begin look for una wait will happen, and I go continue for the talk for the language of the people, which is the language of the Pidgin English, and I'm very, very proud. I'm the first professor of the Pidgin language. So I'll be the one to give the Pidgin certificate to people, because now me I be the best Pidgin speaker. No be competition, no. Me some man no talk say around start begin do competition. But when I know very well the essence for language now for communicate, and any language where a country need for talk, and the language where the people that they understand them. I believe say we'll get enough people that they don't learn with them fit standardized Pidgin language. If they fit use them for BBC, that means say we fit use them for Ambazonia for inside classroom. It will help we for fast track our development for science and technology. I believe that one very much. If you go back for the 60s, the 70s, and the 80s, you go see say it will be very difficult to find people the way they get A grade when they write GCE. It no be now because the people they be there during that time, the foolish pass the one the way they did now, or they no be get access for material for prepare for their exam them like the one the way they now. The only reason we be na say they be they learn in a language you know be familiar with them. The more people that they learn English for their house that they talk English, the result then the better. And it will take hundreds of years for we for refine our English for be able for study and then get the content for English for Pidgin for English like we get them for a language we understand them. It will benefit we go fast track our development for hundreds of years if we adopt the street language for teach our own picking them. So I want to welcome all again once more. Now the critical analysis this. And we will start today by saying we don't get the speech. Unfortunately, this could be a very brief show and not be get enough time for already prepare due to my other engagement of Ground Zero. Erika Zara, you are welcome in the house. I not be get enough time for prepare, but I will try to be very, very fast. We don't get a very big endorsement from Honorable Weber through a policy, the way they put on for a speech, we address them for a university. That speech, it don't be online. Unfortunately, I don't get the time for get the material for now, but in the speech where Honorable Weber it didn't deliver them, he endorsed the policy of Dr. Cho Ayaba. He said that the weapons them for Ambazonia it go free we, so we need for double our weapons them. And Honorable Weber talk say Ambazonia go defeat La République du Cameroon and France on the battlefield. It be very important because the job for the infiltrator them, in particularly Abobala, since La République be moving for prison, they be sending on a crusade for work and meet up Ambazonian activism and convince them, deceive them, say we no fit win this struggle, say the American government they no go fit support we, so me them abandon this struggle, me them steer this struggle away from war into the hands of La République. Say if we get federation in the future, we go can get independence. It be wrong, absolutely wrong. Honorable way by speech today, he don't reinforce like somebody will be duly elected and somebody will don't stand for express the aspiration of the Ambazonian people right in the dungeon of La République du Cameroon, their parliament. It shows in a man will get credibility and a man will be sensible enough. Honorable Weber, like many other people, then when they come for the struggle, La République, their agent, they always be the first one for run go meet them so that they go lure them away and strive to steer them away from the revolution. Such people they don't come press choke Honorable Weber so they enough chop, enough talk, but be happy for say Honorable Weber. Any attempt they don't try for use it, for politicize it, don't reject them all. Even though be bold enough for come meet up the joint leader then where they be there for UK, but na man we don't show a ability for overcome fear and for be bold enough for speak on behalf of the people even at his own detriment. So one salute Honorable Weber and for receive that strong endorsement for our policy. We shall win this war. My people, if I'm talking to you today, now because we would win and we will win. Not be say we don't talk now for propaganda. We'll be engaged with the international community at the highest level at all stage. We are a contender, and the international community they know am. Now why that would talk say make we continue to fight our war, just like the people them like the people them for South Africa where they be fight and win against apartheid, even though the apartheid government be strong past them. Just like the people that for Ghana where they be fight against colonialism, like the people them for Haiti against all odds, we shall win, because say there is no way like Republic will win with militarily. They go wear out, they go tired, they go bow to international pressure, and we will have the full independence. We don't shed more than enough blood for we for make any concession. We owe those who they don't go before we for fight for our independence, for stand for nothing but independence. So make una stand up fine, we will win this thing. Make una not listen for people the way they want use corny for make we move go for La Republic, go accept something less. Even if we follow those people them, even the less thing with the accent for La Republic, they no go get them. Because La Republic to Cameroon no be an independent country, and they no get any credibility for honor even their own word. When I see for their country, people they no first get drinking water, their capital city, you know first get electricity. They on a feast in Ambazonia where they will come begin to spend their time for hell we no. This country, in a country where they don't take away even the university for Bamenda, they reverse them. They see our city for Victoria, they try for repopulate that city with their own citizens them. They not get no intention for let we go, they not get no intention for negotiate. When I don't see her today, they don't carry Siseko, then go down for prison. They use people, then throw them like say na trash. When I see her, then use our hero, Mancho BBC. Sending me during the time for appeal, because I know say appeal na a very emotional time. Then deceiving me come campaign against the school boycott. Mancho BBC can begin talk for we about Ndamba. Today who's Mancho BBC day. So me go stand up fine, we will win this war, we will not get no choice, but now an existential war we will need for fight them and we will win them. For that one I'll be very sure. So I be not even forget for even put the picture for Honorable Weber somewhere there for the. So one salute the Bui warrior. This is the true Bui warrior, not the butchers of Bui. Honorable Weber. He be very quiet for a long time because the job for infiltrator and for make the atmosphere be so tense. Fill up with cosh where people they not go be comfortable for participate. So one salute Honorable Weber and for acknowledge a great job. So today I not go take much time for go into other things but I want to tell you say our struggle be internationalized. When I see Herman Cohen, he proposed that for peace now an indication of the State Department their action for America within the United Nations, and for tell and I said just a lot of things that they will not be put on for social media because of the high level will be involved and the need for confidentiality. But I feel it assure when I say the Amazonian Governing Council be engaged at the toppest level for the war for make sure say we get our recognition, for make sure say they bring Cameroon government may bear the consequences for their crimes in Amazonia, and for make sure say we get our independence. It is inevitable. We shall not allow the struggle and our crisis with Cameroon to be domesticated again in any shape or form. So make another one and make turn out very, very well. So ladies and gentlemen, today I want to take this short show for present una General Ayeke as I title this show, the first show for the critical analysis. I put on a General Ayeke. When I ran here very well how they ran do some kidnapping for inside the Atlantic state, when I ran get the reports, and when I want to tell when I say Ambazonia ran dodge a bullet. The only reason why La Republique Nova flood this issue for the international press now because say I ran come out outside, I ran shout, say my picking them, Tif Mano, now way they ran run go hide their ugly head. All their infiltrator, the way they inside the struggle, they don't expose themselves, and it be predictable. If I tell you, I don't predict these events, you will not go believe me. But for the platform where they call an intelligence design, when I place with the intelligence for ADF, they be work there during the time where Ayeke and Phil Marshall, they be the same audio that they concoct each other. I be raise that issue for inside the intelligent design. Say that this is an indication. Say that they want to try for distance the Red Dragon from Ayeke, and maybe we expect say some big trouble go there we go come up for before. Either they go chop people their head, then cut and put them for video, me go embarrass we so much with the international community go talk say the people there no be people wey dey fit sympathize with am. I be predict am, e never make up to 2 weeks. E never make up to 2 weeks. Unfortunately, I never gather all the material, but I go show na very well the prediction wey I be predict them inside one of our intelligent gathering platforms. Them I be done bring up those issues, and I be done call an independent activist like Asons, Pastor Asons, I think for South Africa. I be call he when he be the share those audios and way Phil Masha the coach Ayeke the coach Phil Masha. I be tell them me they no share those audios and because of those concerns. And many other people they will be called up back say me they no believe say Phil Masha the fight again with Ayeke, and I go bring the analysis critically for this critical analysis show so that make all man owner understand say no be just propaganda. And I feel assure Ambazonian they say I don't come to social media to do propaganda inside Ambazonia. I do not, I repeat myself, I do not make posts, I do not make outing to score political points against anybody. The stakes are too high for me to joke with your life. I feel the pain of every mother, every father that is going through in Ambazonia. I feel your pain. I feel the pain. I am also in pain. This is also my own fight. This is also my own battle for my own freedom as an indigenous person who will be originated from Ambazonia. So I take this thing seriously. I know they can't make any post because I want challenge Eric Tato or Mark Barata, or no matter who way they try to challenge me. I always make sure say might be above that fray. No matter the higher they go, the lower they go, the higher I come. So anything for me, I just dust them and make sure I stay focused, because I believe say una the Amazonian people them una deserve better than infighting, comparing between who they wear clothes, who need to wear clothes, who they take a woman go to swimming pool, who need to go to swimming pool. I think so una deserve better than that. So I will always make sure I stand up for that one for do am, and make una begin advise people the way they do all those childish competitions. Say it really bring a disrepute for this our generation. So I will take una for good inside this analysis for General Ayeke. I want to tell una say I don't talk with one of those picking them for inside Atlantic State, and I will decide for those who put my cards them for my chest at this moment. I no go spill things them out. I will never make some people them embarrass themselves, but the truth will always prevail. The truth will always prevail. And just to tell you people something, my fellow people, I want to tell you something, Ambazonia. There are people, the issue about people conspiring with the Cameroon government to deny us independence is real. I have been saying it for a long time. It took a long time for people to believe it. Cameroon government is giving huge money to people, individuals. Not only money. To many of the people, actually the majority of people, they are giving just promises. They are promising them, they are giving them career. People are making money. They are set up for life. They have offered to help me, give me career. It's not like something that is strange. Me for I'm telling this one for sure, because I know how her case when she was in jail. I get very deep people them for everywhere where they give me credible information where none of them never ever be wrong. They be propose say me pobia allow me then take me for what the diplomatic court and time be able prison. They will be sympathetic for you. Then offer say they will give you job for Germany, make you come out for Ambazonia. If na pobia a problem, pobia accept. Na say me forget the job we get and for day. When I go access there, when I say na capo the talk. And this thing they go on for plenty people then. When I see the people there, they be start this struggle for SCNC. Majority of them they don't give them job. Mukete they be giving for president for Feka Food. Some of the leaders for SCNC they be promised to give that thing a 50 million, something like that. So it's real. It takes expert in conspiracy to unravel conspiracies. Our people are being chained because of conspiracy, and it is for real. When I see the one the way they don't go join La Republic, Success Congo and Nambere and all those people the way they be start off for real. And when I see who said they don't succeed for 4 inside the enemy hand. So this is for real. There are people waiting there for your way. Abobala is the tip of the spear. Abobala is the one who have convinced the people. I'm not just saying this because I don't hear the content for how we don't talk for people them, he under belle for convince them. Say this will not win this struggle. Now a point in that way they bring them. So will not win this struggle, make una level now. Una better join the side the way they be moderate. They go can't end up for tie una so na be na terrorists, make una no follow Ayabacho and all those things them. If the talker including Ebenezer Kwanga for be very fair, no be just Ayabacho. So then hear all those things them and we'll know all those things the way they come. I want also for inform una say every soldier, almost every soldier or every commander in Ground Zero have been contacted by the Cameroon Secret Service. Almost all of them. If any of them never talk, una be suspicious of that one. If they never talk for their handlers, them una be suspicious. They don't contact all of them. All. They don't use Catholic Church. They use Presbyterian Church. They use people the way they done kidnap them before. At one case, for inside Boyo, if you don't go for someone with some high profile general, they be offer for Turkey goat and for Germany. I mean, high way for be a shocker for Ambazonia. Now me I intervene, I talk for your family members, I talk for people the way they care about you, then talk for you. He admit them, he talk say if something be there like that one, he no talk and straight, but he say if something be there like that one, me then assure me say he no go do am. Now so take and save some cases then for here. I'm soldier then dey for Ambazonia for ground. The Cameroon military they not be interested for those deals. Most of those deals they be working by the church in hand to hand with the Dangote office. Now they do work am. Even when they work they deal them like the case for Polycarp. If the Cameroon military then give way for kill you, they go see kill you. Because they no first like me any boy with and carry gun me go alive. Now they code that. So plenty soldier then they way they don't already receive promises, someone didn't receive money, and they never remove them from the battlefield. They sit there for the battlefield like Ambazonian them. They don't tell them say una no dey for day. Una either go kill some person before we go give una money, or una do something because we go sorry una. What I'm telling you is facts. It's not propaganda. I'm not here to score any point. These are facts. The case of Ayeke is a very interesting case because Ayeke is not a stupid person. He's a very smart person. He's a patriot. He's somebody who have gone through the Cameroon military. He was a B. He abandoned his job for Cameroon military for can join Ambazonia the struggle. He don't work with ADF and a person who know he had. But one thing I give for understand I say when it comes for national interest, we need to always verify. We need to always put mechanism for belief say anybody will be a traitor. Now our assumption that we're supposed to believe. We don't need to rely on the trust of anybody. We need to rely on institutions them for hold everybody accountable. General Ayeke, if he abandoned the ADF to go join the Red Dragon, where he the Red Dragon and come. His participation with the Red Dragon revealed a lot of secret them regarding Field Marshal. Now through ye who know, say Field Marshal be get a agenda with La Republic for train troops them as a plan B for La Republic in case they lose the war for use them and the family for Chris Ano. Now through you no say Field Marshal no be that ever go for war before no one ever hear before any problem do ever come out. Now through you no say all that gone the way they be show and for social media. Field Marshal become gathered and all suspiciously told me they go put them for some one house. That night, now after that we go to the key General Ivor, Ido disappear. Pretends they don't kill La Republic then come to that house can carry all that gun them in a very suspicious way. Then if say they return those weapons then I return them back for La Republic. We don't learn a lot from Ayeke, so there is no way for person to talk say no be person when a patriot. But even patriot then too they can't be traitor them. They fit get leverage over now, they fit do whatever they want. That is just how the war works, and we cannot be naive not to know how it works. So at one point, Field Marshal Bidambi get serious problem then with Field Marshal. Ayeke Bidambi get serious problem then with Field Marshal. He decides say go and leave the Red Dragon. Then catch he, then arrest he, then lock he for prison under the instruction of Samuel Ikome Sako 100% and Chris Ano. They authorize that. And I'll tell now some people they always talk say my proof which why they prove I'm 100% my show proof. And I I want to give una way to make una know Ambazonia. There is a reason all across the world. There is a justification for the creation of military tribunal. Military caught them. They create them because when it comes for intelligence and spies and double agents, espionage and all these things, the normal standard way it happen for civil court, it need to apply. Because by the very nature, spies they be trained for hide their tracks and they be involved with highly sensitive individuals and way sometimes just a case itself or exposing a case feel leads to the compromise of national security. Some people then the way they give me information, when are people the way I cannot disclose them on social media. I even choose the leader the one they tell them about these people, these individuals. And some forces then they for ground. Some people then they for ground within force the way they give me information while nobody talk their names. But one thing where Ambazonia they always understand and say the behavior for certain people them go always prove these theories them. No be theories. No be those theories, no be saying that those na abstracting na reality. So if to say we talk to some person to work for La Republic, if that person really need to work for La Republic, he go shame we with the action. There are some action where person where they work for a government as a double agent or a spy or an undercover officer or a covert officer cannot do. They cannot kill the enemy. They cannot kill La Republic. They cannot do certain things that will compromise La Republic. Those are benchmark that you can testify if somebody is working with La Republic. How can that person do that? But sometimes some people even kill. They can go to that extent. La Republic have killed their own people in Bakassi. So you must know the very nature of the enemy to know how they operate. With the case for Ayeke, I don't go too far because it contains some very, very sensitive things. I even feel Masha. I remember I tell say La Republic be the sponsor this struggle. Una no be the una no be the believe me. Una hear for unto na kind of Mbanda me voices. The one for Frundi on bad when Dawara can give him money for back. All those things I'll tell you now. But today I want to focus on the Ayeke. My chama bitter cola. Drink some red wine from South Africa. So my country people, now na country man this couple that need to talk. Una own Gambe man. Now na country man they talk. Then Ayeke, time way if we send distress call for big number, say the one killing, there be one killing for real. Big number carry troops them, they enter for inside Lebialem, then go rescue you for place with it. Then show up for media when I see or I no get time for play other video there. But the few on the way they for what it for my five for easy for see I go play them. That time we encourage Ayeke. I talk with Ayeke, we encourage you say make me be independent, me run your own force like how Ayeke they do how other people they do me make your own force because no the one time will take people them inside ADF, me they let's say would one bring people them. So Ayeke he talk say he go do but he come out for air, he make am clear because say some people they be start talk say he dey work with ADF. He make am clear say he need to work with ADF, he no go ever work with ADF. And the reason why be the talk so now because of Eric Tato he threat them way be the come for ye. He be afraid of that one. After that where is my phone? I send some screenshot for this thing so that at least we might give enough substantiation. After that, after they rescue General Ayeke, then present General Ayeke, Sheikh Kavi. Oh yeah, let me take a screenshot from Sheikh Kavi. After then release General Ayeke, after big number be left General Ayeke, he make that statement saying he need to work with ADF. He want go start now. He go gather so a few guys them for inside Lebialem there. Gonna just give me a moment. Might transfer the file for so if it be visible. Then he go gather some few guns them. He go gather guns of a quarter. He enter for inside village. Some old people then give it their gun them. He gather a small force and go start back a force today. Eric Tato conspire with the guy them for Lebialem for the Red Dragons or Lebialem, where they be done try to disguise their name because so without expose them, then change their name now from the Red Dragons to the Tigers of Lebialem for disguise themselves. At that time, ma play the video, make una hear very well. I will also prove una say this one not be just my opinion, but na facts. Una fit go look am from the Eric Tato show dem wey we make am during that period, and the thing the way we talk. Una go know exactly wetin happen. At that time, na General Ayekidis wey dey don catch him.
The 20.
Una look him face, ma move my picture for this side. Una observe it very well. Na he the General Ayekidis. That way Eric Tato they be connive, then go arrest General Ayeki. I see Christopher Meissner, the ask and say, who is financing Eric Tato? Because of that question, I will take this moment to explain who is financing Eric Tato. This is the madman map we picture for today. Eric Tato, all una Ambazonian them, una give family member the way they don't travel for America, una know how life for America. They want the way they go scholarship, or want the way they go now job. Eric Tato, I be get the first intelligence. Say Eric Tato to work for La Republique. When they be tell me say they don't send Cameroon presidency, they don't send two. I don't forget the amount of senator. The man not call the number. Senator, they meet and go meet up Eric Tato for America. I called the Eric Tato. I asked him, did you receive a delegations of CPDM senators from Ambazonia? He tell me say yes, he accept for me, say he don't receive the delegation them. I know if you go further, I no idea, but at the end of the day, the conversation no go anywhere. Una need to understand, say the Cameroon presidency, their parliamentarian them, CPDM, they need to come go meet up Ambazonian them for nothing without permission from the presidency. It is shown a direct link between ye and the communication with the presidency for Cameroon. Here, that no be ever announced for public. You know, we ever talk about which way those senators we can tell you for do them. We now also see the Catholic priests we come into Eric Tato. The Catholic priests, they are deep involved with the Cameroon military to fight against Ambazonia. Our soldiers on the ground can testify. When that priest become into Eric Tato, no before pray for ye. They can't compare note. Eric Tato is the main person who introduced Samuel Ikome Sako. He has his support directly from the Cameroon government. When I go imagine, say the Cameroon government will be a board member for the SCBC, then send a minister may go to South Africa for go fight against SCBC. But they go allow Eric Tato me open a newspaper for Nigeria, a place where he get the highest number of Cameroon operative and their spies them. Those are those indication. Eli Smith, where they work with Cardinal Tumi, who no say he too the support Agbobala them, their agenda them. He too na be say na he be the prop up Eric Tato, just like how Churuma be the prop up Chris Anu. This individual them, their agenda na but try for tap me say Capo Daniel like Chris Anu. Somehow they feel say go make a people they begin they not take weight with the talk and seriously. But we know very well say I know they like Chris Anu. Chris Anu they outright lie. I never lie to you people. I just say my thing based on facts, and I'm nothing like to compare with Chris Anu. So to cut a long story short, I will leave the part about the sponsorship of Eric Tato, but it be a self-evidence. Na man will not be get any money for a bank account when he become for America, despite the fact say he lie because he become staying at Santos house. He don't drive Uber na for tell us he no be get any money for some place. So ma level for day, but na General Ayeki this man no digress. Na General Ayeki this time where Eric Tato be connive me the arrest for the BLM. Wanna follow the video.
6th of April 2019. Now soldier them this where they don't boycott from field marshal of the Red Dragons of the BLM, and they be led by General Ayeki Commando. Now in this, yes, where she done for front so they don't come for can attack we the second time the Tigers of Libya. So we don't.
So now the year the Red Dragons they deliberately do not hide their name. Now they use the Tigers. I no one waste my time to go play other video them for the Red Dragon with the same speaker they talk for the
them would disarm them, lock them. Now the weapon then this for down. Evidence to prove. So I want for tell government say we would they be ready for any camp wey.
So una dey hear the speaker dey address na the IG of Samuel Ikome Sako and Chris Anu for this video for tell una say na dem dey report for them directly as well.
He wan come for can attack we because one of his soldier wey he empty magazine 8 round pump action for we, he don escape, he don run, he don go call Kurugwe and Yeneba.
Una hear they still talk about Kugwe, talk about Anyereba, they talk about all the other camps them. It will be very important when una pay attention for all these details them, and then una go fit understand wetin dey go on.
Come, say me they can attack we the second time. So would they be ready? If government hear anything of that sort, wey don happen for LiBLM, Mogamo when na Northwest no get no nothing for do with LiBLM. If they hear, they know say na we don't do them because we dey we ready. Commando come the first time. We lucky we arrange things them. Even government.
If you follow all that discussion, you go see and see the Cameroon military no even there for that discussion then. You know there for day. Now only about Kugwe, Nyereba, and all the other places where you get huge camps them for the ADF. Now their main objective, that now their main enemy. Man no digress over. So now General Yeke this, now this year, that way they be catchy, then convert General Yeke. After this episode, we want meet up General Yeke again. Erika Azara, if some person disturb you, tell me my blocky. From this episode, we want meet up General Yeke again. General Yeke then completely changed. Completely changed. From after this kidnapping, he blocked my number, he stopped for communicating with many people the way they be happy. We know some people the way they actually care about it. I block this this idiot. Name na bosom whatever the guy. You know, say na person way either meet up people they care about General Yeke. So definitely either already experienced the people that can rescue you, people that didn't talk for you properly, people that didn't try to help you after that episode. They then develop a level of trust with you where every natural circumstances he go maintain communication with them. But after this, General Yeke it will be completely different. It will be brainwashed, and I believe saying that from this point onward, we will start to see General Yeke he action that it be na action way in the favor na la Republic, in the favor Ambazonian, where na all signs and way the points say it be managed by Eric Tato, the traitor way to work for La Republic du Cameroon. I go play the next release them for Yeke after this stage, make una understand. But first, I want to tell una say, una know they match all those forces them together, where they with the conspiracy or where they under the influence for this traitor them for fight against Ambazonia. They bring them all together. You will see for the other video, say Yeke, they ran partner up with General Diamond. Una remember General Diamond where they can attack ADF. Ma play and famous and say those are people that they work together.
All the civilians and military in Alo subdivision in LiBLM, this General Yeke who is heading the march past. From here, you will see his soldiers. You will see the soldiers of Diamond and.
So now here wait they speak at the top.
Diamond and.
So General Diamond
of Diamond.
When I know General Diamond and the general where they be saying them me can destabilize Kugwe. During the after General Diamond can't try to destabilize Kugwe, you know, succeed. The ADF will put a ransom for a head where we can announce them. From there, we'll send a team, search team, me go around for pick it up. We can't hear say be down run na General Yeke be go receive fee. So this one are people the way they work together and then all them be on the same mission. If we go hide now for General Yeke and then we'll decide for those levy for them because we'll be physical and damage enough, there no will be any reason for we to go for the kill. So General Diamond, he and General Yeke, they be down already be merge the forces them together against the ADF. And they be commit atrocities, then we no be the match up with the spirit for fight for our liberation. So I be just want to show that tie between Yeke and General Diamond. So from that episode, General Yeke he be make a video say they don't go rescue some Ambazonian soldier for Befang, or I forget the name for that place. Man no call wrong name then talk say Capo Daniel and lie today. So if he makes another video where then go rescue one of the fighter where he be talk say he be show am for bed where the fighter should have a bed. That fighter get wound them for his skin. He get maggot they be come off a foot. He talk say na fighter that way they be go rescue for Bangang. Yeah, they be rescue that fighter now from Bangang. And he talk say they go born, they will go attack the village, they forces them for Bangang. I want for just explain and for say those no match up with reality, because if na a specific force be kill some fighter, General Yeke for the plan na for go attack that force, no be for go attack the entire village. We don't see infighting across Ambazonia. The action for go burn the village for Bangang, it no be been an action for revenge for some person where they be done kill them. But it be been an action where it be been meant for balance the equation between the atrocity where the Cameroon military be the committant for Ambazonia for burn down villages them. They want for go replicate the same things them for also show the international community. Say they claim where Ambazonia they make them. Say that they burn villages them. Say Cameroon government they burn villages them. Not be entirely true. So it be been a measure for go counter that particular narrative. Now way they be do all those drama for justify that action. And when I say when I don't take una eye chop Christmas, see how they go enter for Bangang. Now the video this for the village of Bangang. I'm sorry, sir, I never get time to get the clean video. This one day so it be tainted by some writing them from our enemy, but nevertheless,
wow, this Bangang on fire. The whole village down into ashes. You don't need this name again called Bangang inside this land.
So when I feel here, no be only say General Yeke burn down Bangang, but it televised the burning down of the village. In narrative, they play directly into the narrative with the Cameroon military play. All this circumstantial evidence means a lot when it comes to intelligence. And for a tribunal, a military tribunal, these are considered as factual evidence, as real evidence. So
no nonsense.
So they burn entire village, not only entire village.
This is Bangang.
They cut down the plantains them for the village. They televise them and then broadcast them. The first person who broadcast these images them, it will be my country people then way they work for La Republic, become
everything down.
Their military.
Fire so, left and right.
Any normal man.
All over fire in Bangang. Plantains down. You don't need anything in Bangang.
So any normal man will know say these are not action of an Ambazonian force or representing the conduct of Ambazonian forces. This not be action for man way stupid. General Yeke na man way don't take military training. He know exactly what they do. He know the ramification for this. They don't train them with the manual concerning war crimes them. And he know say this one na a war crime. He know say this one way they do na a war crime. This action them no represents the Ambazonian forces them for ground zero or the forces the way they fight for Ambazonian their liberation. They want an action for forces them will be instigated by the Cameroon government. The person way he caused all this. So person they talk try to distract me for the person will be behind all this action na the Cameroon government. No be Ambazonian. Any activist way to work for the Cameroon government, he action they work now for the Cameroon government. So ultimately now the Cameroon government their action in this represent the action of legitimate Ambazonian forces, and any force where they carry out these actions them, it be under that authority for Cameroon, it be compromised, and any activist where they lead the force may do them, it also be compromised. I'll take one and go for the fighting where they go on now, the picking the way they don't kidnap them for inside the Atlantic state. I go put my card there for my chest because this one will reveal some hidden infiltrated people that nobody yet know for this struggle, but this one will hit them for them. And the reason why La Republic don't fail for the one is because I don't bust their tire. Like usually, as a commander expose them for us, they know say it go hurt them. They be one try for do them for block the discussion the way they go for the international community where the Hague of City be involved with them. They want bring this big scandal because way to way La Republic that always they try for do them. Now for replicate way to way the Nigerian it be happen for Nigeria during the Boko Haram, the kidnapping of the Chibok girls, the students for Chibok. When I remember that campaign for the Chibok girls and be lead for the American State Department for end up declare Boko Haram as a terrorist organization, even though the American began resist them, that act where they be kidnapped that picking them. Where some people there for Nigeria, they claim say the Nigerian government SSF it be gay hand for day, and the Nigerian government and SSF they be deliberately allow that thing me go worse because they want to use them for attack to get American support against Boko Haram. So Cameroon government knows say this trick it work. They be done try to do them for the Presbyterian Church for Bamenda. They be try to do them for the Presbyterian Church for Bamenda, and Eric Tato be highly linked for implicate Ambazonia in that time. And wait the people that they do and I say they try to make and say me all action there for Ground Zero move time together with the liberation struggle. So that anything they do want to do and me bring me down, it will actually be more effective. They be trying for the Presbyterian Church, work. This time they want try and they quickly realize and say we'll go easily isolate the action and put them for their head. Now why that way then stop them, get the publicity way in normal circumstances if forget them. You never get that publicity, but eventually people they will see this speak up with them and discuss with people who they be involved for the case already on the ground, and including some human rights organizations where they investigate the case also. So I will leave that particular one for day. And wait till I need to understand and I say when this type of action that they go, make una no feel say for hide the truth, it go help we. For two main reasons then. If actually Ambazonian forces them with their not call them their handlers them with their representative them for abroad, if their policy now for begin kidnap our own people them for ransom, we will lose and we have lost if that is the case. But that is not the case. At the top for now, like a command officer for the Ambazonian Defense Forces, the biggest force for Ground Zero. There is this idiot there, Roland. Let me block that one. Where is? I've just seen the name now. Like, give me a moment. This device my hand it takes some time before it show. Anyway, I will block and later on. So, make una understand one thing. There is a big. They don't try to distract me, but may I come back for this particular point. There is two big things that they want to need to understand them. If we soldier them, they do kidnapping for ransom, we will lose. In particularly, if na a policy where it be sanctioned, it be led, it be approved by their leadership structure, then we don't lose this war because no army no fit fight against your own people. Nobody can be kidnapping your own people. The people who vomit you will lose. So this is not the case where it happened for Ambazonia. So every time a case like this come up, you expect everybody to condemn them with the strongest possible terms. But we'll get evidence and we'll get testimony. Say somewhere it come a sako, that is use them like a policy for ask our soldier them for ground for engage in such activity them, including the handler for Alaji wey be there for inside Bafut. At the time I be there for General Arike Force, I be instruct one of them media arrest General Ahaji. So one time be find himself for Bafut area they made arrest him because of one questioning about that incident. They arrest him, the Bafut Force they arrest him. Unfortunately, they not be giving any access for get that interview with he, but he became last come up for the hand and when I see how he live down can there for some way no man if he explain which way it happened, but he be behind some of the kidnappings the way they for Bamenda. And who be a handler? Now Marcellus where he work directly with Chris Anu and Sako. There is a prisoner in Kondengi who have confessed on the record to multiple people. Say a private message we send for Marcellus. Tanwe la Republique du Cameroon. They arrest him, then go interview for interrogate, then present for you that message. A message where be sent for that Marcellus, it delete them for a phone. A message where be possible say la Republique the intercept communication for WhatsApp. those are evidence say that people that they work hand in hand with the Cameroon military for direct soldier the way they kidnap them for ground zero. Those are proof. There are just so many substantial proof to prove to you and testimony that this is what is actually happened, including the arrest of the group of people that they be from Nigeria, bring them for inside ground zero. There are just enormous proof to show you that these people are actually working hand in hand with the Cameroon government. The Cameroon government is sponsoring them. Is sponsoring them, direct sponsor. I be done the talking people that is deny, but when I hear Mbanda my own confession. Before I want to take una go time for inside that critical analysis, make a play una the video for Phil Masha, where they talk about their sponsor, their main sponsor, when a minister for Cameroon government, where they don't make the minister now the head for the Cameroon reconstruction project for Tassang. And just in case una don't know who be Port Tassang na the person where the Ambazonian Defense Forces would then give a bounty for 1 million amber for any man way catchy game for we. Port Tassang, when I listen for Phil Masha, when I say when I take when I hear. All these are inconvenient truth that the Ambazonian people need to face.
Nominally, this? Yes. Let them come, no? Why them there? I want to for the BLM people. I like my people.
We like you too, Phil Masha.
And I like the numbers. I like all the chiefs. And I like all the become. Now, there's one thing I want to say.
When I listen very well, if Phil Masha be sarcastic, when I go hear subsequently for the same audio how it go explain itself. So now listen very carefully.
You know I go talk. I appreciate Minister Paul Tassang from Mumbai. When I know you, Paul Tassang maybe now when I minister, we minister for inside the BLM.
No be only a direct link say Tassang this Port Tassang the sponsor Phil Masha. Phil Masha fight for a candidate wey want me be mayor for inside the BLM. They audio them, it no fit be released because the person will be involved and the kind place where they be record that audio them, you will be shocked. But when I hear
okay, this fire now Phil Masha for Ambazonia they talk. I appreciate also Fonkangate Gerenem na Fontem Boniface. Well, I don't like it too. Me, people should appreciate Paul Tassang when they sponsor Red Dragon.
now yeah?
I appreciate from Fonkangate when they sponsor Red Dragon. They will toss it on that very alive. You know what that? You know if you die.
So that is not sarcasm. I know say Ambazamzam them. They go always find every possible way for deny the reality way they for their front. The problem we'll get for Ambazonia today, and the people, the semblance of people, the way they be confused, they deny the reality. See some people they receive money, see some people they work for La Republic du Cameroon. They deny no matter what evidence you present them for them. Their instinct now for deny this reality. But this not the inconvenient truth Una need to understand them. When the ADF and the AGOVC they designate Chris Anu and Samuel Ikomesaku as traitors, infiltrators, it is a serious matter. It's not a joke. These people are working for La République du Cameroon. If they were not, their actions will put us to shame. Their action will put us to shame. Eric Tato is working for La République. If it was not, his action will put us to shame. Now the sole person who single-handedly reverse all the gain in our emancipation war. At the time we will be done succeed for destroy the divide between Northwest and Southwest. Now he successfully inject them. Eric Tato, man we don't go for university, we know it will be war crime. Now he for social media, for America, the demand me people then go between cut people their hand. Cut people their hand. No be saying that people the way they like black legs, because black legs now people the way they give information for Cameroon military. No, for simple things as violating ghost town, the normal norms on the laws of the revolution. No normal human being would do that. And he do them on purpose, because the Cameroon military be the try for entrap Ambazonia will be done overget international sympathy. They were so desperate and they needed somebody like that. That's why he could have those big delegations from the Cameroon military. They were propping him up. Even his paid Facebook page, they prop up it because they need it for that purpose. He's working for La République, and the earlier you guys realize it, and the earlier we separate their action from the revolution and secure our revolution. Some people they go feel say, if it been a matter of illiteracy, mu don't take us in a way, he's not smart. If no be say he be smart, but I don't believe say not smart. Even a person he be smart. By now, we una feel say if he be realize say Sako we be the protector, maybe na a thief man as I be the talker before they can arrange him. In natural instinct for being a for go support either Soseko or Ayabacho, and it no be if he ever support Soseko, but the one use Soseko just like how did he use people them for accomplish the grand plan, because Soseko will never take bribe. Bishop that one Soseko never take bribe. He can be susceptible for his prestige but not bribe. Just like Karina Tubi, no be all man if he bribe, no be all man get bribe price. So we need to understand. So there are people where they work for La République. Their actions them will need to separate them for the action, legitimate action, the way na the liberation action for our struggle. If not, they will succeed for drown us and destroy us all. The international community they understand. Say every country, every struggle, they get multiple groups them. They know that one. They understand. For Syria, they know them. For South Africa, they know them. For Ghana, they know them. You get multiple groups the way they fight. We no go ever can stand for cover up lies or kidnapping for ransom or the killing of people, which are blatant crimes. For we for cover them up for fear we protect the revolution, we the instead set ourselves up. When things like that happen, we must take responsibility. We must put the blame for the place where the blame it be. This one are people that they work for La République, they need to work for Ambazonia. Now the only reason that way Eric Tato is spending time for insult Ayabacho, no matter what happened. And Mark Barata look like say Eric Tato na a handler. Because man no first go they will take one at a time. I don't know what the man want participate as participate, but today will not receive call. Hello? This one are people that work for La République. Hello? Your Facebook be on, it be too noisy and if you let me talk. Because why you call, you need to off your reduce your volume for your Facebook. So these people that they work for La République, Eric Tato they work for La République. If he prove say and give one gun for person if he kill La République, me prove him, and I guarantee you say he will never be able to prove it. So when I be done see before this action one come out, Ayeke be done come out with some gun them. If be done come out with some gun them, show him I think when I be done see those gun them. before they come start make that a drama. For people the way they don't first raise question about that first video for Ayeke. Now I post this way. Now they post this way where Sheikh Kabi be post on Facebook. I want to show the one more see from different angle them too. For this post, now Sheikh Kabi this the top for the post say Eric Tato he don't arrest General Ayeke. So now for just connect that dot where the person be asked and say how do you know say na Eric Tato be the control General Ayeke. Now he be arrest General Ayeke. From our information we get today, now he instruct General Ayeke actions them and he be responsible for General Ayeke actions them. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't get time now, already 3 o'clock for morning time. We will continue critical analysis tomorrow. Thank all for participate for the show and for making maybe an interactive show. And we are happy with the new name. Those people where they see one at the No Connie Talk show, please inbox me privately. I take your comment very seriously. When I see Mark Barata, he makes sure he... Hello, comrade. You are live on the critical analysis.
Hello.
Go ahead. We can hear you.
Yeah. Okay, brother. I am calling you again. I always don't want to give my voice out. Eric works for La Republic. Let me tell you who is sponsoring Eric. You people have been able to know that Eric works for La Republic, but you don't know who sponsors him. This senator in Manu, they call him what is his name? Tape Tando. That is the person that gives Eric all money he needs. I'll give you more details. I'll give you one proof.
Okay, we'll wait for you. Somebody is saying I have proof about the person, a senator who is the one handing money to Eric Tato. We welcome all this information. We have solid information about Eric Tato, and we have zero doubt. If to say we don't change him, I don't ever see his behavior for that change. The only reason why they attack me because I've been at the gatekeeper. I be the vanguard where they expose and destroy all their plans them, and they know say I not get no price. They don't try to check my background and since I've been a clean man. We no there for them for bring me down. They don't try and I will continue for still take the hit for the Ambazonia people them to do my job for save our country. So God bless you all. May our struggle be short. May our independent democracy in Ambazonia be forevermore. Ciao.